I have noticed an odd seedling that appears each late spring or early summer on the north side of my property. I do not know what it is. It is not like anything I have intentionally planted in my garden. Curious if this is a garden friend or foe. Thanks in advance for your feedback. And this is April from Collierville, Tennessee. Thank you for that picture, April. So the old morning glory. So what do y'all know about morning glory?
Well, they're very pretty.
Yeah, they are pretty. Yeah.
And the pollinators will come to them. They're not native, but they're easy to keep in your garden. They're easy to have. You don't have to do anything with them, and they're very beautiful.
Yeah.
So.
I would say the only thing to keep in mind is if it's kind of a raised bed or something like that, it is going to be competing with what you really want there. So you might want to pull it out, even if it's not really harmful. It could be, it's competing for those same water, nutrient resources in the soil.
That's good. Heart-shaped leaves, beautiful leaves, beautiful flowers, kind of shaped like trumpets. You were talking about the pollinators. Not to be confused with bindweed.
Which you definitely want to get rid of.
Yeah, you want to get rid of bindweed, right? Because it has a robust root system. It's considered to be invasive. So you definitely don't want the bindweed, but the morning glory, it's fine.
Nice.
It's fine. So there you go, April. We thank you for that. Yeah, leave those for those pollinators, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that'll be good. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.